42-inch ceiling fan and light in the satin nickel finish.
Oh yeah.
If you haven't seen that one.
Oh yeah.
I'm Justin. I'm your host. This is Danger. Okay. Looks like we started out. We got the user manual. It's pretty typical.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just shows you. You know, we don't ever use those anyway. But okay. Looks like we've got. Okay. Kind of Chinese deal. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Got looks like a 5-watt LED. That's good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Saving the planet. 1 watt at a time. Here we got here. It's like one of these things that. Oh yeah. Okay. These are little chains. Yeah. And then what's this here? It's like some wire nuts. Not yeah, all right. Let's take off the styrofoam here. What do we got under the hood? One of those glass deals.
Oh yeah.
That you cover the other thing with, and so that's good. This bunghole. Okay, into the bunghole.
Oh yeah. Right into the bunghole.
Okay. It's this guy here.
Like
This
goes
is
right
like
into the
our motor.
bunghole.
This isn't your standard motor though. This is a 500 horsepower ceiling fan motor,
Oh.
and that'll keep you cool.
Oh
in
yeah.
the
Oh
summer.
yeah. Oh yeah.
And the
Oh.
in case some of you guys out there who are real fat like to use their fans in the winter. I've seen those. You know who you are. So we'll just add a little spin. What's next? Okay, these are what hold the blades.
Oh yeah.
Okay, these are also a satin nickel finish. Not to be mistaken as a fork.
Oh yeah.
Okay? Or a
That's a toque.
That is a toque.
it's like maybe a smile.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Has like a little crescent.
We can put some teeth in there.
Yeah.
So, I'll go ahead and show you that after we've stripped the electric and hopefully send it out, but if not,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
so stay tuned.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.